Dongguan City Team Win Garment Company Limited, established in 2020. It specializes in manufacturing men's casual wear, hoodies, t-shirt, jacket, sweatshirt, jacket. We can provide sublimation printing, silkscreen printing, digital jet printing, embroidery, washing, garment dyeing and other processes, and offering OEM, ODM order service throughout the world. We are located in the fashion capital of China, Humentown. It only takes 50 minutes drive to the ports of Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and Hong Kong. Our factory occupies an area of 2,800 square meters with advanced equipment and 25 professional R&D workers. Our sample lead time is 5 workdays. Bulk production delivery time is 15 workdays. Focusing on mid-high-end quality markets, strict quality control is performed in every procedure, from material sourcing, processing, and testing to packing. Our enterprise mission is that helping customers saving time and money to win the market. Hard-working, efficient, strict, perfect are our working attitude. Quality is our culture. Customers' satisfaction is what we pursue. Follow the standards of SETX. We always take workers' work environment seriously. Put people first as a management philosophy. Adhering to the business principle of trust and mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers. We are looking forward to establishing a long-term cooperation relationship with friends from all over the world. Any inquiries will be replied within 12 working hours. Top Show Garment, your premier supplier.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.
Hey, don't wear super soft pajamas. The best.
Top Show, they the best. C and Mike at Top Show is the best. They make the process very easy. They're great, terrific, great quality, everything.
Production is very good, and I give them 10 of the 10. Very good.
The Top Show and Judy is
really
amazing.
Good. They're really good. Thank you for supporting us for the last 2 years and making great product for us.
They're really, really, really easy to communicate with, and we've barely had any problems with them.
Growing relationship, and hopefully it's a long-term relationship. So it made me feel time was being respected and my money was going to a good place.
Hello everyone. Top Show is a company with good service and good quality, especially coming from Joe. high efficiency, good service, I would support them. You should do the same.
Top Show is a great manufacturer that has amazing shipping time, great quality, and is always reliable. Everything you need, they have. Fabric, they have thousands of different fabrics that you guys can pick from. Everything about them is amazing. Please check them out.